Hello friends, today we will discuss about hypothesis. In this topic, we have to discuss what is hypothesis, then classification of hypothesis. First of all, what is hypothesis? Hypothesis is a conjecture statement about the solution of the research problem. So, we can say that it is an intelligent guess about the solution of the problem. It is also a tentative solution of the research problem, and it is with limited evidence, and it is an explanation with limited evidence. Then classification of hypothesis. Hypothesis can be classified in two categories. One is research hypothesis and other is null hypothesis. Research hypothesis is also known as alternative hypothesis or experimental hypothesis or operational hypothesis, and it can be explained as declarative form. For an example, there is significant relationship between achievement and study habit in the students. But whereas null hypothesis can be expressed with no. For an example, there is no significant difference between achievement and study habit about the students. So there is basic difference between these two terms. One is when there is connection between two or more variables is called research hypothesis, but whenever there is no connection between two or more variables is called null hypothesis. Then research hypothesis may be two categories. One is directional hypothesis and other is non-directional hypothesis. When a hypothesis specifies the direction of the expected relationship or differences, it's called directional hypothesis. But whenever a research hypothesis does not specify the direction of the expected difference or relationship, it's called non-directional hypothesis. For an example of directional hypothesis is that there is positive relationship between achievement and study habit about the students. Then for the example of non-directional hypothesis is that there exists significant relationship between achievement and study habit among the students. It is the non-directional hypothesis. So it can be said that there is basic difference between this directional and non-directional hypothesis. In directional hypothesis, it specifies the direction. That means comparison between two or more variables. It may be greater than or less than, either greater than or less than. But whereas it does not specify the direction of the expected relationship and difference between the two or more variables. It's called non-directional hypothesis. Thank you very much. I hope this topic is very interesting to all. If any suggestion, please comment, like, and share this video. Thank you very much.